Hey kids, welcome back. Today we will learn some action words. So let's start the video. Reading, reading. Kids are reading the book. Playing, playing. Kids are playing together. Writing, writing. A boy is writing. Bathing, bathing. The boy is bathing. Washing, washing. A girl is washing her hands. Sleeping, sleeping. A boy is sleeping. Exercising. Girls are doing exercise. Teething or brushing. A boy is brushing his teeth. Eating, eating. A boy is eating healthy food. Swimming, swimming. A boy is swimming. Running, running. A boy is running fast. Jumping, jumping. A boy is jumping up and down. Dancing, dancing. Kids are dancing. Singing, singing. A girl is singing a song. Drinking, drinking. A boy is drinking water. Thanks for watching.